Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Wednesday, November 16th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Started off a little bit stronger in these grain markets and faded throughout the day as you're just struggling to find news. You did get EIA reports out this afternoon that gave you some positive news towards ethanol. Ethanol stocks decreased just slightly. Production was actually up, so it means they're using it, which is really evident around these markets as they've been the ones that have really narrowed in their corn basis after it's been so wide. Still not a great basis level, but it's a positive step towards using this corn that we have. There's a lot of piles around here. There's a lot of issues with local elevators not taking grain because they don't have storage, and hopefully with the margins that ethanol's seeing right now, they'll be able to burn through some of this corn to ease up on this basis level. It's extremely wide right now, and hopefully that'll help out the bottom line cash price a little bit better for corn market as it's really low right now. Soybean market was the one that started off the strongest, up 5 cents at one point, closed down about 3 cents on the day, as did corn, but the soybean market did have an export sale here this morning to China, but it wasn't enough to really get this market moving as we have a lot of grain to work through as far as these soybeans go, and conditions in South America are panning out really well right now. It is early in the season. They are still planting, but everything is looking good. Forecast is looking good as well. Wheat market didn't do a whole lot. It's been trading off this dollar, and the dollar was steady to slightly higher, so it didn't get a whole lot of movement throughout the day. Meat markets did find strength, however. Live cattle, feeder cattle closing up about $2 on the day. Same situation in lean hogs, as it looked like a couple days ago you saw an aggressive sell-off and then come back, only close slightly lower, and then since then you've been able to rally this market as it looks like maybe Thanksgiving, Christmas demand is in full swing and helping out there. A little bit of talk of some blizzard conditions might be helping out cattle as well. Outside markets for the first time have been quiet. Yesterday Dow and dollar were quiet, but that crude market really got going after it looked like you might have some talks going on in OPEC about cutting production, which needs to happen to really get this market to really get up and moving, as they're really struggling with ample amounts of production. Production grew a lot more than expected once again this month, so it looks like maybe this is just the step in the direction they have to take to get the prices up, is cut some production there. So it was very quiet today, along with the Dow and dollar once again very quiet as well. Moving forward, what we'll be watching is export sales here tomorrow to get some more information to see how we're doing. We know that demand's been strong, but we need to keep those sales very large to keep up with the structure we have built into these S&Ds. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.